Hi, everybody. This is Al Stockwell. I'm the Life Marketing Director here at Simplicity Des Moines. I just want to take a quick minute to elaborate on the, I think, one of the most critical uh, upgrades, additions to the life insurance marketplace, I guess, over the last couple of years, and that's the use of long-term care riders, chronic illness riders. While they are not necessarily new, they are being revamped all the time. Every main carrier that we work with has some form of benefit built into it. They vary a little bit on how they're designed. They vary a little bit on whether there's a cost to them, whether there's underwriting involved. Can you get access to 100%, or is it a partial access? And that can be kind of confusing and a little overwhelming because there are so many different versions of this. But what we strive to do here is make that process easy for you. We do this day in and day out. So you got a question, how does this rider work? Here's what the client's looking for. What's the best way to design that? And so that's what we do. When we look at a case, I'd say right now on our permanent cases that we're issuing, I'd probably say 75 to 80% of them have some emphasis with that rider on there. These cases are being sold more and more with that benefit being one of the highlights. Selling life insurance is tough, right? We know that. If you've got a client who is interested in life insurance, but just not really quite ready to pull the trigger, or maybe they in the back of their head, maybe life insurance isn't a real concern, but long-term care is a concern, but they don't want to do the full, the standalone long-term care, because we all know, those are health insurance products, so their price can go up down the road. And last thing we want to do is put a client in a product, and then at 65, 70, 75, they get a notice that their premiums are going to go up, or they're going to have to reduce their benefit. So the life insurance with these benefits is a great dual kind of threat product we can show the client. So they're going to get the benefit one way or the other. And the pricing, it's going to be set from day one, so they're not going to have any surprises down the road. And then the flexibility. Obviously, you've got a product that's going to provide a benefit while you're alive, and then obviously a nice benefit for your family when you pass away. Not really familiar with these products, the riders, give us a call. Love to tell you about them and see how they can incorporate into your practice. These are great door openers for policy reviews. If you got a policy, client's got a policy, is it the old or the new? The old product, great, okay, but here we got these new products that have these living benefits built into them that really can amplify the sale. And in those situations, I'd say someone else has done the hard work. The hard work of selling them a life insurance policy. Great, you got a great product there, Mr. or Mrs. Client. But let's go ahead and look at this new product that adds this rider on here, and maybe we're not decreasing the premium or increasing their death benefit considerably, but just the added benefit of having that rider on there is the catalyst to making a lot of sales. So consider it as part of your sales presentation when you're talking about life insurance. And I think you'll find that clients are much more receptive to talking about life insurance when they can see that extra benefit in there for them while they're living. Hope that helps. I look forward to talking with you. My number is 800-747-5612. Thanks.